how to create Facebook page. So if you want to create a Facebook page, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, make sure to log into your account and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with the pages option. Once you go with pages, now you just need to simply go with the create option, which is on the upper left. Tap on create and then tap on personal profile or a public page. So I'll be choosing personal profile, and then tap on next and add your profile name and photo. So give it a profile name, or if you want to go with a public page, you can simply go with public so that you can grow as a business, creator, or organization. So tap on next and then you can give a page name, go with next, and after that you need to choose a category. So I'll be choosing product or service, and then go with create, and that's it. Your page has been created. And once you've created your page, you can simply go with the settings to finish the setting up of your page. So you can simply go with promote or create content and connect with fans, and go with continue, and you can add your bio and your contact website, email or mobile number, and then your location and your hours and everything, and then go with next. And after that you can customize your page. You can add your profile picture, or you can just skip this part, and you can invite some friends to your page and go with next, and tap on invite and go with done, and that's it. Your page has been created. So that's how you can create your page, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.